students, good afternoon. Welcome back to online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Again I am here, your maths teacher, and what we are going to do today is we have done a word problem in our previous lecture, that is based on addition. So today we are going to continue the same. Okay, two word problem we have done. Now today we will do the remaining word problem that is given on page number 86 of your book. So fast open your books and notebook. Open your books also, and you have to open page number 86 in your maths book. Page number 86, and open your notebooks, and in your notebooks no need to write from new page. If you have sufficient page in your notebook, if you have sufficient space in same page, so start writing from the same page, otherwise take the new page. Okay, so the third question, first we will do question number 3. So see, I am reading the question, all of you look into your book. Fast open your book, page number 86. Fast open page number 86. The question is, there were 25 brown drums and 24 blue drums in a lorry. How many drums were there altogether? Lorry means truck, and in that truck there is 25 brown drum and 24 blue drum. Okay, now you have to find the total number of drum in that lorry. So first what we have to do, we have to do addition. Okay, so first copy the question from the board, or if you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy your question from the book also. Start writing with me. Write third, question 3. Write question 3. There were 25 brown, 25 brown and 24 brown drum and 24 blue drum in a lorry. Drum in a lorry. How many drums? How many drums were there altogether? All together. So you also first copy the question first. First copy the question. Once again I am reading the question. There were 25 brown drum and 24 blue drum in a lorry. How many drums were there altogether? Write the question fast. If you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from the book also, but copy correct. So we will write brown drums, BROWN, brown drum. So how many brown drum are given? 25. So write 25 in front of brown drum. Now next, which drum is given? Blue drum. So next write blue drum, BLUE, blue drum, DRUM. Now put the sign of equality. इक्वालिटी का साइन एक के नीचे एक लगाना है. Now how many blue drums are given? 24. So write here 20. Now what we have to find? We have to find total number of drums. What we have to find? Drums all together. That means how many blue and how many brown drums are there in a lorry all together. So write drum all together. Drum all together. So what we have to do, जब हमें कुछ चीज all together total इकट्ठी निकालनी रहती है तो what we will do, we will add. So the same, we will put the sign of addition here and add. So first we will start adding from ones place. So the digit at ones place is 5 and 4. Digit at ones place is 5 and 4. So start adding using your fingers. 5 plus 4, add. Take out 5 fingers in your hand. Now take 4 more fingers. Now all together add. How many fingers are there? 9. Very good. So write here 9. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So the total number of drums in a lorry is 49. Write fast. Write fast. Written. Now the next question. If you have not written, you can pause the video and then write, or if you want, you can take the screenshot of the board and then write. Okay. Now the next question. So first I am reading the next question. There were 48 pieces of white chalk and 31 pieces of colored chalk in a box. There is one chalk box. Okay. In a box there are 48 white pieces of chalk and 31 colored pieces of chalk. How many pieces of chalk were there altogether? So you have to find the total number of chalk, including the white chalk and the colored chalk in that box. So same we have to add white chalk and colored chalk. Now start doing. First write the question. Write question 4. First copy the question. If you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from the book also, or you copy the question from the board. There were, write with me, there were 48 pieces of PIECES, pieces of 48 pieces of white chalk, WHITE, white chalk and 31 pieces of colored chalk, COLOURED, colored chalk in a box. Now, how many pieces of chalk were there altogether? How many pieces of chalk, PIECES, pieces of chalk were there all together? Okay. First, copy the question fast. There were 48 pieces of, this is 48. There were 48 pieces of white chalk and 31 pieces of colored chalk in a box. How many pieces of chalk were there altogether? Now write the solution with me. First, what is given? Given is white chalk and colored chalk. So write white chalk is equals to, how many white chalk are there? White chalk is equals to, so how many white chalks are given? 48. So write here 48. Now next, what is given? Colored chalk. So write colored chalk. Colored chalk is equals to, now see how many colored chalk are given? 31. So write here 31. Now what we have to find? Chalk pieces all together. So write chalk pieces all together. So how many chalk pieces are there all together? What we have to do? We have to add it. So put the sign of plus. Now start adding. So start adding from the ones place. Here the ones place digit is 8 and 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And 4 plus 3. Take out 4 fingers. Taken. Now take 3 more fingers. So 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of pieces of chalk in the box is 79. Copy the solution from the board fast. Write fast. Write fast. You can take the screenshot of this question also, or you can pause the video and you can write also. Okay, I am talking about the students, those who are writing slow. They can pause the video and then copy from, and or you can, if you want, you can take the screenshot and write also. Okay. Now the last question remains. Last word problem. Okay, I hope all of you have written. If not, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it. Okay. Now the last question. First I am reading the question. You see, there were 66 pages with picture and 32 pages with text in a storybook. That means one storybook is there, and in that storybook 66 pages are there with a picture. Okay, एक storybook है, and in that storybooks there are 66 pages with a picture, and the remaining 32 pages are having text. That means something written there, story is written. Okay, so what you have to find, how many pages were there in all, total number of pages including the picture and the text. Okay, so first copy the question. The last question. There were 66 pages with pictures, 66 pages with pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures, and 32 pages with text. 32 pages with text. What is the meaning of text here? Text means the written, the thing that is written. Okay, the text means written part in the computer. Okay, so there were 66 pages with pictures and 32 pages with text. Now pages with text in a storybook. In a storybook. S-T-O-R-Y, story book. How many pages were there in all? How many pages were there in all? Okay. Copy the question fast. Copy the question fast. Now write the solution. Now see first what is given, that picture pages are given and text pages are given. So one by one we will write. First write picture pages, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture pages. So how many pages are there having a picture? So 66 picture pages are there. So write here 66. And how many text pages are there? Text pages are 32. Now write text, T-E-X-T. Text pages. So how many text pages are there? Text pages are 32. So write here 32. Now what we have to find? We have to find total number of pages in the book. So write pages all together. Pages all together. All together. So how many total pages are there? We will find by adding. So put the sign of plus and add. 66 plus 32. The same procedure of addition. For first we will add the digit at ones place and then we will add the digit at the tens place. So the digit at ones place here is 6 and 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now add the digit at tens place and tens place digit is 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So total number of pages in the book is 98. Write fast. Write fast. So the total number of pages including the pictures pages and text pages in the book is 98. Okay. So we have completed all the word problem that is based on addition and given in your book. Okay. So we have completed our today's lecture here and we will continue the next topic, that is subtraction without regrouping, in our next lecture. Okay. Bye students. Have a nice day.